Hello. Hi. Let's see Angelica.
Who is having fun without Fabio? Fabio. Amanda, are you having fun? Partay in here. The music. Dum, 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 dum.
Alright.
Making me nauseous. How was your day, Amanda?
Well, we went to bed at 6
A.M.
a.m.
No.
Well, actually, I went to bed at 5 and I woke up at 9. And everybody else woke up at no, I woke up at 11.
What?
Yeah, I did. You guys woke up at 9.
Amen.
So we were late this morning. And I'm ready to dance with Angelica. But Fabio didn't come. I did not call her.
You did not call.
Say hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Act natural.
Look at all of this beautifulness that we did for Brittany and Sheena and their 16th birthday. You like videos?